Hello, my name is Robin Starling Noah and teacher Nurfi Rodriguez. First partner interview Ulysses. Ulysses said that last weekend she visited her grandmother in the country. Say they showed the recently what she is called her Spanish speaking. Ulysses said that after class she goes home. Say that her plan tonight is to go out to the movie with her boyfriend and family. Say that this weekend she is going to see her boyfriend play basketball. En second interview, Carlos Abreu, Carlos told me that he went out with his friend last weekend. He has told me that he watched a show recently and it is called WWE Rock. He told me that after class he goes to his apartment. He has told me that he has a commitment tonight and has to participate in a basketball tournament. He told me that this weekend we can go out for a drink. Thank you. See you later.